Hi everyone. I just noticed something incredible. We have just crossed 125 subscribers. Honestly, I am speechless. When I uploaded my first video, I never thought even 10 people will stick around, let alone 125 of your amazing humans. Every single view, like, and comment means the world to me. You guys are the reason I keep creating this Spring Boot, Java, and backend tutorials. Your support keeps me motivated to bring better content every week. So, from the bottom of my hand, thanking you everyone. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so we can grow even more together. 125 today, let's aim for 200 next. Drop a comment below and tell me what topics you want next. I read every single one. Thanking you again. See you in the next video. Thanks all for all your support and subscribing to my channel.